In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create dolly zoom effect in Capcut. The dolly zoom, often called the vertigo effect, keeps your subject roughly the same size while the background stretches or compresses, creating that dramatic cinematic shift in depth. We'll use Capcut's built-in zoom lens effect so you can get a clean result without complicated setup. Start by opening Capcut and creating a new project. Make sure your app is up to date to access the latest effects and controls. Choose the aspect ratio that matches your final destination, like 16:9 for widescreen or 9:16 for vertical. It's also a good idea to keep your frame rate consistent with your footage to avoid jitter. For most clips, 24 or 30 frames per second will look natural. Now import your video, pick a shot with a clear subject and visible background depth. Hallways, streets, or open rooms work great. Drag the clip onto the timeline and trim the ends so the action starts and stops where you want the effect to be most noticeable. Try to keep your subject near the center of the frame. That makes the illusion stronger and reduces edge distortion. If the clip has bumps or micro jitters, a subtle stabilization step can help but keep it light so the effect remains smooth and not wobbly. With the clip selected, go to Video Effects and look for Zoom Lens. Depending on your version, you'll find it under categories like Lens or Distortion, or you can use the search bar. Add the Zoom Lens effect to your clip and make sure its duration on the timeline covers the exact portion where you want the dolly zoom to happen.